Hi everyone, it's Andrea from Buttercup Beads. I want to let you know that we're going to do a workshop on Kate McKinnon's kaleidocycle. This is a little beaded origami type of a toy or machine that hinges together tetras, and then it forms this cool little shape. It creates an 8-sided design, and it's not that hard to do. It uses delica seed beads, 11 delicas, and 15 seed beads. And I'm going to finish my tutorial and we'll do a little workshop. People have been asking about it. Some people are having trouble figuring out how to put it together, how to do it. So check out the website buttercupbeads.com. I'm going to pick a date soon. I should be able to get you started easy enough that then you can finish at home. Obviously, we won't get this done in class. Imagine the different designs you can do if you change out your colors or designs. You can get some graph paper and actually design your own little triangles. They're created by putting together these 4 different designed triangles. So check out buttercupbeads.com and hope to join us for this. Kate McKinnon has an open resource website for their contemporary geometric beadwork designs. I like this one. This is pretty. So hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.